Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to have some reading for our Libra for their 2024 predictions. And bago tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform, our IG account, which is updated, and meron po tayong mga posted na new items for this coming 2024, the Apricot Crush. I-check out nyo po ang ating IG account. Naka-post na po siya and nandun na din po siya sa ating shop. So, Apricot Crush is our lucky color for year 2024 and ang ginamit po namin doon para po makasabay tayo doon sa ating lucky color is the carnelian crystal. Authentic po ang ating crystals, ang ating mga crystals doon po sa ating Bewitched Co Gems. Check out po. It is very, sabihin natin, mas nagiging maswerte po yung mga charms pag daw po inireregalo. So, you deserve to have one and also for your loved ones. Kaya i-check nyo na po kung meron po silang magustuhan from our shop. And if you are interested po, nandyan lang po yung link sa description box. Okay, let's start for our Libra collectives. What's ahead for our Libra collectives? Ayan. Okay. So, currently, you are resistant. Meron kang resistance sa pagbabago. Currently, there's some stagnance when it comes to change, my dear Libras. Ano yun yung hindi mo, sabihin natin, hindi mo kayang pakawalan? Ano yung mga hindi mo kayang pakawalan na yun? Okay, you are stuck right now. Maybe. Okay. So, sabihin natin, you are lack of self-worth. Low of confidence. And sabihin natin, dahil doon, nagmamadali ka na magkaroon ng pagbabago. You are, sabihin natin, feeling stuck, okay, eto. You are feeling stuck. You are feeling, or lack of self-worth. And sabihin natin, you are surrounded by very unfocused environment or tactless people or bully people, maaaring ikaw ay nandun sa maaaring you are surrounded by maaaring you are surrounded by bully people, tactless, and rude. And even na ganun ang your surroundings, you are kumbaga, you are stuck. And that's cause you repeating negative patterns. You are dealing with, sabihin natin, toxic environment. And that cause you low confidence. Okay, my dear Libras. Okay, so sometimes sabihin natin nagkakaroon ka ng multiple priorities. Okay, my dear Libras, you feel, sabihin natin, limbo energy. Limbo energy when it comes to choices, when it comes to task. Nagkakaroon ka ng multitasking, nagkakaroon ka ng unfocus when it comes to your decisions and multiple priorities na nagkakos sa'yo ng sabihin natin, not quality the outcome kasi nga walang focus dahil multitasking. Iyon yung isa sa mga sabihin nating negative effect of multitasking. Wala kang masyadong focus doon sa isa and sabihin natin yung quality of work, yung sabihin natin result is hindi siya ganun sabihin natin, okay siya pero hindi siya ganun kaganda. So, yun yung kabaligtaran ng laser focus. And ito yung gustong ipaalala mo na sa'yo na you are dealing with that environment. Multiple priorities. Okay. What else? You are dealing with that. Sabihin natin. Okay. You're also dealing with emotional pain. Okay, my dear Libras. Currently, you are dealing, maybe some of you are dealing with depression and self-imposed prison of thoughts. Okay, you are dealing with depression and anxiety. Kaya wala ka ring focus. Sabihin natin wala kang focus because of your environment, because of the arrogant environment, ruthless environment na nagkakos sa'yo ng low esteem and low confidence. So, right now, ano ang, kumbaga, kinalaman nito sa yung 2024? Okay. Your 2024 is blessing you for focus creativity. They are assuring you, your angels and guides, with this magician, napakaganda, na kung ano man yung desire mo. Sabihin natin, magkaroon ka ng isang vision, magkaroon ka ng isang desire, at that is, sabihin natin, your guides are reassuring you for manifestations. Inspire yourself, okay? All you have to do is to inspire yourself, and the universe will give you willpower, and sabihin natin, urge of desire. Kung sabihin natin nagkaroon ka ng low confidence right now, your 2024 is full of resources, ability, and of course, skills. Just make sure na meron kang vision, meron kang nabubuo na ideas dyan sa isipan mo that turns into reality. Your angels and guides will help you to turn those visions into reality. So, siguro sabihin mo ngayon, nakikita mo na parang wala, na parang ikaw ay napapalibutan ng full of drama and deceit energy. But your 2024, sabihin natin, bibigyan ka ng mga tao or ng paligid na pagkukuhanan mo ng inspirasyon para magkaroon ulit ng visions, para magkaroon ulit ng creativity, para ma-nurture mo ang iyong skills, and you are manifester. Yun nga lang, dahil sa pagiging, sabihin natin, manifester mo din, baka sobra kang nag-overthink or ikaw yung sabihin nating nega. Kaya yun tuloy yung namamanifest mo this year. But yun ang kailangan mong baguhin for 2024 na since na ikaw ay malakas mag-manifest, gamitin mo yung positive energy mo for that. Para yung, kumbaga, yung results ng iyong manifestations ay agad mag-actualize into 3D. Okay, ang ganda. Oh, 10 of Cups. Okay, your 2024 assures you or brings you happiness and divine love. So, nandyan, if ever na sabihin natin nalulungkot ka ngayon, that puro heartache and emotional pain, also sorrow, and sabi ko nga, kung ikaw ay nasa anxiety because of your unfocused energy, your 2024 is full of emotional stability and fulfillment. Nandyan ang alignment, darating sa iyo ang family, love, and support. Umuulan, pinakamaraming cups, the 10 of cups. Okay, kung hindi mo man yan nakikita ngayon, I feel na some of you sasabihin na hindi, parang hindi na talaga. Dahil sunod-sunod eh. Sunod-sunod yung sabihin natin, yung nararamdaman for this year, parang sa tingin mo, ito, broken-heartedness. Sobrang sakit sa dibdib. Parang feeling mo, wala, hindi na mangyayari to, pero kagaya ng sinabi ko, nasa sayo yun. Because you are the manifester. And eto nga, kung ikaw ay sabihin natin, tuturuan mo yung sarili mo, tutulungan mo yung sarili mo mag-manifest ng magagandang bagay, mabilis yun na pupunta sa'yo. And yes, nakadepende sa'yo yun dahil nga sa manifestations mo. If you are asking for divine love, darating agad-agad. If you are asking for family love and support, darating agad-agad because you are the magician of your life. Kahit sabihin mo na merong mga napapalibutan ka, this card is most powerful. Pag sinabing magician, diba? Ikaw ang gumagawa ng iyong destiny. Ikaw ang gagawa ng happiness mo for year 2024. Okay, my dear Libras? What else for my dear Libras? Yes. Okay. So, you have to let go of, sabi natin, insecurity. You have to focus on your financial stability and solid investment. Okay? So, your guide, angels and guides always or reminding you, wants you to know that you are guarded. Huwag kang masyadong mag-overthink when it comes to your career, your possessions, your investment. Huwag kang sabihin natin ma-insecure sa sa paligid mo na nagko-cause sa'yo ng low confidence and self-esteem because you are guarded, okay? And ayan, 'di ba? Long-term security, they are assuring you long-term security. Ayan, long-term investments are coming for 2024. Just believe, okay? Hard work, and I see here yung focus energy. Pag meron kang anxiety and depression, wala ka talagang focus. Kumbaga, kung saan-saan, kung saan-saan mo nagagamit yung iyong energy, yung iyong focus dahil nga sa pag-overthink. Pero dito, maybe ilan sa mga factor ng iyong depression ay pera and career. Maybe ilan sa mga